Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OAuth with Microsoft Entra for APIs, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure OAuth with Microsoft Entra for your APIs, start by logging into your Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select App Registrations from the left-hand menu. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Enter a name for your application that reflects its purpose. Choose the appropriate account type based on your requirements. For the redirect URI, input the endpoint where your application will receive responses. Click on Register to create the application. Once registered, go to the Overview tab to note down your application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets section. Click on New Client Secret to create a secure key for your application. Add a description and select an expiration period for the secret. After creating it, make sure to copy the secret value immediately, as it will not be displayed again. Now, move to the API Permissions section. Click on Add a Permission and choose the APIs your app will access. Select Delegated Permissions or Application Permissions as per your needs. Choose the specific permissions your application requires. After adding permissions, click on Grant Admin Consent to allow access. Next, go to your API code and configure OAuth by integrating the necessary Microsoft Identity Platform libraries. Using your application ID, tenant ID, and client secret, authenticate your API requests. Implement the token acquisition process to obtain OAuth tokens from Microsoft Entra. Ensure to handle token expiration and refresh tokens in your application logic. Finally, test your configuration by making API calls to verify authentication and authorization. Monitor the authentication flow and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.